In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a copy of an item in Monday.com from one board to another. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to using Monday.com, keeping your boards organized and your workflow smooth is crucial. Being able to duplicate and move items across boards can streamline processes and help maintain clarity, so let's delve into how you can achieve this with ease. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com into the search bar. Once you land on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. If you aren't automatically logged in, enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the board where the item you want to copy exists. Once you're on the right board, locate the item that you wish to copy. Next, we need to select this particular item, which you can easily do by clicking on the checkbox located to the item's left. This action tells Monday.com that this is the specific item you're interested in handling. With the item selected, it's time to open its menu options. To do this, look for the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the item menu, which should be situated right next to the item in question. Clicking this will reveal several options related to the item. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Duplicate. This action creates an exact copy of the item you're currently managing, complete with all its current data and settings. It ensures that the task, file, or any content you are working with remains intact in its original board, while allowing for a perfect duplicate to be moved elsewhere. Once you've duplicated the item, you'll notice a new, identical entry on your board. Now, direct your attention back to this duplicated item. You'll want to right-click on it to open an array of options. Within these, find and select Move, then follow with Move to Board. Upon selecting this option, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up presents you with a list of all available boards within your organization. Carefully browse through these options until you find the board where you want the duplicate to reside. Select your desired board, and voila! Your duplicated item has now been moved. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage your content across different boards in Monday.com. Remember, being organized and strategic with your data management not only keeps your work in order, but also enhances productivity significantly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline your use of Monday.com.